Gentu's voice dictation has some unique commands that you can utilize as part of your dictation to streamline your workflow. Here are a list of commands that doctors can use. Insert patient name will instantly bring across the patient's full name from Gentu into the dictation. Otherwise, if you just want part of the name, you can dictate insert patient first name or insert patient last name. Other information that can be dictated directly from the information within Gentu include insert patient date of birth and insert patient age. Besides your regular punctuation commands, a few that you may not be aware of include delete that or undo that, and new line or new paragraph. Another command that may be useful is go to end. This allows you to move the cursor to the end of the dictation if you've made any adjustments in the body of the dictation. Once you have finished, at the end of the dictation, you can simply dictate upload to Gentu, and this will instantaneously upload the letter into Gentu.